Hello, here's the car tuning station. This is the BMW lifting center lifting Twitter. It is a Bang&Olufsen design. For this one for BMW X5 and X6. Actually, this product available for other BMW vehicle also. What you need, just let me know. Which BMW car you have, let me know. And this product is very easy to restore. You see that this is the cables, the whole harness together. Let me see, let's see. Total is 5 pieces cables. So this one is for the 12 volt. This is the power. This is the BATT, the power cables, 12 volt. And this is the AC cables. And this one is a GND ground. So this is a simple, right? And these two cables is for the speaker cables, signal cables, connect to the car, the original car. And this is the speaker, the positive. This is a speaker negative signal. So all you need to connect is this total is 5 cables. Very easy, right? Let's see some detail about this product. This is the aftermarket one. See that? Not genuine, but quality is okay. If some customer need a genuine one, you can tell us that. This is the aftermarket one. See that? Yeah. Yes. Car tuning station. Welcome to subscribe our YouTube channel. We focus to share the valuable things to you, to customer. Thank you.